This conference will now be recorded.
Fine. So today we'll try to understand the difference between product, product master, released product, item master. There are 4 words. Let me write down. Product, product master, released product, and item master. So all are same, but all are different. All are same, but all are different. So what is this? Let us understand in the system. This is very basic fundamentals. Okay, let me show in the system. So if you go to product information management, products, released products. Okay, here we are creating one product. We are creating product. Can anyone suggest me like your favorite product name, something? I would like to create the same. Anyone? iPhone 10 series, huh? I don't know the latest one. I think suppose I'm creating iPhone 10 as a product. So I'm creating released product iPhone. So I have created. Next, item model group I need to map. Suppose I'm mapping before. Item group I need to map. Storage dimension group. Tracking dimension group I'm mapping. Click OK. So usually the like best practice is like purchase price, sales price also. It is better to map as it is like product US dollars. I'm entering suppose 2000 purchase price, sales price is 2500, 2100. This is not mandatory. Item group, item model group, item group, storage dimension group,
Can
tracking
you just
dimension.
give a brief, that's it, on this tracking and all storage, like normal, not in detail?
Okay, fine. We'll discuss. Okay,
Okay.
inventory unit, purchase unit, sales unit, BYM unit. Okay, fine. Is it asking Vishal? Okay, fine.
Yeah,
Because you have joined. Fine, earlier. I'll discuss definitely. So these things we need to map. Okay, let me discuss that point. Anyhow, I need to recap for everyone. Let me discuss first that one and then I will come back here. So if I want to create item master, if I want to create item master, we need 8 mandatory fields. This I have discussed in detail earlier, but let me recap. Okay, item group, item group, item model group, item group, item model group, storage dimension group, tracking dimension group, product dimension group, inventory unit, purchase unit, sales unit. Okay, item group is used for ledger accounts mapping. Majorly this is a part of finance. Majorly it is a part of finance. Item group. Item model group is for inventory closing stock valuation. So this is majorly for finance purpose. This item model group I need to explain a lot. You will understand after maybe after 15 days, 20 days, something. You will understand this in detail a lot. Okay. Inventory unit, purchase unit, sales unit, you know already units. Storage dimension group, we have discussed site, warehouse, location, license plate, inventory status. Tracking dimension group means batch number, serial number, and then owner. Product dimensional group means it is color, size, style, configuration. Okay, these all fields we need to map. It is must, we need to map. Apart from this one, there are 4 more fields. Purchase price, it is not mandatory. Purchase price, sales price, cost price, and then category. These are the total 12 fields are most important, but 8 fields are mandatory. These 8 fields are mandatory process, and this purchase price, sales price, cost price, category, these all are optional. So now let us compare these 3. These all are. So if you look at this one, while creating item model group, give me 1 second. Item model group, next item group, item model group, next storage dimension group, tracking dimension group, storage dimension group, tracking dimension group, product dimension group I will discuss later. Okay, these 4 it was discussed, and inventory unit, purchase unit, sales unit, that is inventory unit, purchase unit, sales unit. If it is BOM, then it is a BOM unit also. What is this BOM means I will discuss later. Bill of material, that is for production process, it is important. We'll discuss this one later. Okay, next purchase price, sales price, cost price, those are here. Okay, these are fields most important for item creation, item master. Okay, clear this one. This is actually like I took almost 1 hour to explain about these details. So we shall you can go through my earlier video, you can understand in detail. Fine, are you able to follow me everyone? Okay, fine.
Yeah, fine.
So these are the fields we need to map. I have mapped. Click OK. This is released product. So this one I'm discussing, but there is a differences between these words. Let us understand now. So I have created.
So can we, I have a question actually. So can we from the very beginning, like say the very beginning is that so you configure a product and then
I'm going to discuss that one. I'm going to discuss this one.
So
of course,
so
I
you
have
create
started
a product and then you release a product, right?
that. I'm going to explain you. It is not at finished, Ravi. Okay, I'm going to discuss that one only. Please bear with me some 15 minutes time.
No, just a second. No, just a second. Actually, so you created the product and you are releasing the product, or like you are? I mean, the
No, no,
creation of product is completed.
no. I started with the release product only. I'm going to discuss those things.
So now the assumptions are the product is there, product master is there, you are releasing the product.
No. It is not yet completed. Please bear with me 15 minutes. Then we'll discuss your points. Okay. Whatever you are asking, that questions I'm going to answer in 15 minutes.
No, I'm
okay,
just, yeah, okay, that's fine.
You have joined properly. It is not like your delay or something. Started with release product only, but I'm going to discuss a lot.
Yeah, okay. I'm just saying like what is the starting and what is the ending, right? So that's the thing.
Starting only, I have started with release product. I mean to say, I need to start with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I started with 5. So you are asking about 1. It is not yet covered.
Okay,
fine.
Cool.
Fine. So we have release product. We have created release product iPhone 10. We have created release product iPhone 10, which is in USMF company. Now, if you refresh, then this item is available. iPhone 10 item number, it is available. But I'm closing this form. Now I'm going to all products and product masters. If I filter by this iPhone 10, it is available in all products and product masters. In USMF. Okay, so we have created and released products, but it is available in all products and product masters in USMF company. Now I'm going to INMF. INMF. Now, if I'm going to product information management, see released products, it is, I'm filtering with that item number, whatever I have created, iPhone 10, which is not available in released products. Now I'm going to all products and product masters. I'm verifying. iPhone 10. Let me copy every time it is required. I'm clicking apply. It is coming. In INMF, it is available. Now I'm going to some other company, China company or Brazil company. There are many companies in our system. China company, Contour Entertainment System, CNMF, China. Now I'm filtering by this name. Now it is available. If I go to product information management, released products, it is verifying released products in CNMF, it is not available. So you are making me confusion, showing something, showing not something. What is this? Now let us understand one concept called enterprise level data. What is this enterprise level data? Okay, enterprise level data means if it is created in one company, it will be available in all companies. What it means? Whatever this enterprise, if it is enterprise level data, then it is shared data. Actually, as per SQL Server, data was classified into two types: master data and transaction data. Always transaction data is at company level or legal entity level data. What it means legal entity level data? What it means in CNMF company, if I have created a sales order, suppose, it will not show that sales order in INMF company. If I have created one sales order in INMF company, it will not show in other USMF company. That is, I mean to say, always transaction data means, that is like sales order, purchase order, so many things you are going to learn. All these transactions is at legal entity level transactions, but some master data is at enterprise level data. What does that means? If I have created in one company, it will be available in other legal entities also. Okay, so here product and product master, these two are enterprise level data. These two are enterprise level data. Released product is legal entity level data. This is legal entity level data. That means if you create in one company, it will show in that company only. Whereas product and product master, these two are enterprise level data. So what it means, let me show in the system. So what I will do now, there is a slight difference we understood. Still it is not clear, I know. These two are enterprise level data. This is release product is legal entity data, legal entity level data. That is the reason, suppose if I'm going to, I have created a release product. I have created release product in USMF company. In USMF company, I have created one item called released product, that is iPhone 10. I have created iPhone 10. I have created iPhone 10. So that is available in USMF company. But if I go to CNMF, it is not showing. If I verify in CNMF company, if I verify, this is not showing. If I go to INMF company, some other companies, any company, released product will not be shown in other legal entities. Okay, that means this released product is legal entity level data. If I have created in one company, it will be available in that company only. It will not show in other legal entities. This is released product. Then product or product master, these two are enterprise level data. So now what I am doing, I will create one more product or product master. Let me go back to product information management. I'm going to all products. Here there are many things. Please let me know another one more your favorite item name. Product, I will create another one. Samsung, suppose. So Samsung latest model. What is the latest model in the market now? Can anyone help me? Sorry, 20, yeah?
S20,
Yes,
sir.
S20,
S20
okay.
Ultra.
Okay, so S20 all. So I have created Samsung S20 all. Okay, here first thing is product I'm creating. I will discuss this product master later. First product I'm creating. So now what I'm doing, product I'm creating in USMF company, Samsung S20 all I'm creating, click OK. So it was created. So I have created in INMF company. If you filter by this item, it is available. Now if I go to USMF company, if I filter by USMF in USMF company also, it is available. Look at this one. If I go to suppose Brazil company, some BR company is available. Let me go to this Brazil company. I'm filtering by this one. It is available. Means if I have created a product in one legal entity, I'm able to see in all legal entities. If I have created a released product in one legal entity, it will not show in all legal entities in the released product. So is it clear? First thing is like I have created iPhone here. I have verified, sorry, I have verified in some other legal entities in the same released product. Same released product, it is not showing. If I have
So
created a product, yeah.
where did you select that release product options? I sorry, I missed that window.
Okay, fine, no issues. It is in product information management, release product.
Okay.
So if I create a release product, suppose if I create a release product, in this release product, like iPhone, what is where it is available? 1 minute. So iPhone, whatever we have created, that is in company specific, so it is not available. But whereas
Yeah, that is in USMF. iPhone is USMF company.
okay, but yes, this I have created Samsung in this one. Am I right? Samsung, whatever I have created, it is enterprise level data. 1 second. This is I have created. Give me 1 second. Why it is not showing here? Oh, it is not, sorry. It is release product. Fine. So here, remember, this is iPhone I have created. This is at actual release product. If it is at released product, whatever I have created in one company in USMF, it will show in only USMF. Only in USMF. So that is the reason it is not showing anything here. Let me remove this filter first. Clear? Okay. So in the released product, I have created in USMF company this item. So it is available in that company only. That is the reason it is not showing. If I go to any other company, CNMF, it is not showing released product. Okay. Give me 1 second. So if you filter by that name, like iPhone, it will not show. It will not show. But whereas product, for the product, if I go to all products and product masters, all products and product masters, I have created Samsung 20 S20 all. This I have created in this. Now I am filtering this item. This is available in CNMF or BRMF verified. It is also available. Look at this one. If I filter it, it will be available.
Please click allow to play the video.
In all legal entities, it is showing. Suppose I am going to FRSI, FRRT, that is France company. If I filter, it is available. Okay. So if I'm creating the product or product master also, these two are enterprise level data. This is released product is legal entity level data. Legal entity level data. Then what is the connection between these two? What is the connection between these two? So let me make a diagram. Give me 1 second. So we are creating released product. We are creating released product. For this, in the back end, it will create product or product master. So there is a connection here. Two sides. I'm drawing two sides. What it means? I have created released product. I have created released product iPhone 10 in USMF company. In USMF company. In USMF company, if I go to product information management, released products, I have created iPhone. What system will do for this iPhone 10? In the back end, it will create automatically product. Here I have created iPhone 10. Sorry. I have created. If I have created here, automatically in the back end, it may create product or product master. Because while creating iPhone, I have taken a product. So it will be automatically created in this iPhone. That is the reason if I create here, if I created here, it was automatically created in the back end. In the release product I have created. If I go back to all products and product masters, it will be available in all legal entities. It will be available automatically. This iPhone. Let me take this iPhone 10. It will be created automatically in the backend. Okay. So here I have created, automatically it will be created in the backend. Now another item, Samsung 20 all I have created in this. It will not be immediately, it will not be available. You need to transfer or you need to release this one to here. I will do one thing, like let me do so that you will get clear picture. This is automatic. This is also automatically created, but this is manual. I know, like there is a lot of confusion, in your minds. I'm making confusion. I will give you clarifications. Definitely, I will give you clarifications. Please bear with me some more time. As I told you, intentionally, I will do some like confusion initially. It will be later on. It will be clear. It will be very much clear. So here there are two things. One is like if you create an item master, if you create a product or product master, these two, it will be available in all legal entities. That is Samsung S20 all I have created in products. It will be available in all legal entities. That is the reason if you verify products and product masters, it is available in all legal entities. Okay, released product, wherever I have created, in that legal entity only it will show. But this released product, whenever you are creating, if you are creating release product, automatically backend product was created. Now look at this one, this iPhone, whatever we have created in the, I will take two browsers so that it will not be confusion. Give me 1 second so that I will jump from here to here. Product information management. I will show here products and product masters. Here I will show release products so that we'll have two browsers at a time. So in the products and product masters, suppose like iPhone 10, it is available by default once it is created here. I will create one more item, then we'll see. In the release product, if I create, automatically in the backend, it is creating one iPhone 10. Now, suppose iPhone 11, it is not exist. Now I'm creating released product iPhone 11, suppose. iPhone 11 I will create. I'm mapping. Otherwise, simply I will create. Click OK. I can do it. System will allow you. Yeah.
All this.
Hello.
please can you please mention all the groups?
Sorry, come again.
Can you please mention all the mandatory fields?
Okay. Give me 1 minute. Okay. 1 second. Here, now I have created iPhone 11. Give me 1 second. What happened? iPhone 11 I have created in the release products. Immediately, if I go back to products, this iPhone 11 will be available. That means what happens? In this, if you create in the released product, it will be automatically will create in the backend in the item master, that is product. So if you did release product, if you created release product, it will be automatically created in the product. So whatever the items you are creating. Okay. So I mean to say here, if you are creating release product, it will be created automatically in the backend, and the product or product master will show automatically. So I will create another one. Suppose iPhone 12.
You said
Before,
product. You said
sorry.
product and product master both.
Yes. So even product master also. So I will do product master in this case now. So in the release product, I'm creating new one. In the release product, I'm creating new one. Now this time I'm doing product master, suppose. Okay, iPhone 12. So before that, I'm before that I'm verifying.
Subtype.
Sorry.
So product subtype. What is product subtype actually?
I will tell you. Okay, product master. I'm just verifying. Product master. If you filter by this one, it is not available in the all products and product masters. It is not available. I have filtered with iPhone. Suppose iPhone star. Then it will show iPhone 10 and 11. 12 is not there. What I'm doing now, I'm creating in the release product iPhone 12. Now product master. Okay, product master I'm creating. Okay, now I need to map product dimension group. Okay, as I told you, like in the diagram, like let me show the diagram as well. This is storage dimension group, tracking dimension group, product dimension group. So in the product dimension group, now I am mapping product dimension group and then normal item group.
Yeah, and the previously it didn't mandate that product dimension group, right?
Yes. Now it is mandatory.
Okay.
Okay, we'll discuss. Okay, storage dimension group. So even if I map it or not map it, suppose I'm neglecting, simply I'm creating. Yes, I can create. So I'm creating iPhone 12 with the product dimension group I have created. So it is.
Sorry to interrupt. I have one question. If we don't mention that group, this product dimension group, storage dimension group, okay. So what which makes the effect?
Yes, I'm going to cover that one also. Here we have created 12. Now immediately it was, if you refresh, it will be 12 is available. That means if you create release product in the back end, it may create product or product master based on the setups. It will create automatically back end product or product master. Then what is the difference between product and product master? Is product and product master. Okay, otherwise I will show in the system only, like in the here only, so that you can understand. product and product master. Without product dimension group, then it is a product. The same, this is with if you are using product dimension group, then it is a product master. If you are not using, then it is a product dimension product. This is, let me make so that a little bit clear. Product dimension group. Okay, without product dimension group, then it is a product. With product dimension group, product master. Understood the difference? Okay. Fine.
This I am having this one query. So when you are creating this release product, so there are two options. Either you select product or product master, right?
Exactly.
One sub tab is there, like sub. So when you select product master, so that time this item will this release product will create and product master automatically it will create, right?
Yes.
So
Yes.
whether it will create in product also.
Yes, same. So for I11, item I11, I have created a product. Automatically the backend it was created. Product
Means
master
both
also, yeah,
or
both.
product also. Then
Yes.
what is the like that why it is showing this sub tab like product and product master only because of this dimension group only?
I'm going to discuss. Still, I need to explain. Definitely.
Okay, fine.
Okay, give me
Okay,
1
fine.
second. Fine. So here, if you create release product, it will be backend. It will create product or product master. It will create product or product masters in the backend. If you create release product in the backend, automatically it will create product or product master. That is the standard behavior of the application. So the difference between product and product master is, if you are using with, like if you want to use color configuration size style, that is product dimension group, then it is a product master. If you are not using, then it is a product. So let me show once again now. So in the release product, if I'm clicking new, if I'm selecting product, then it is not asking product dimension group. If I select, let me make a little bit smaller so that you can understand. Okay. Okay, so look at this one. Here, if I'm selecting product master, then automatically it will ask product dimension group. Means the difference between these two is, if you want a color size style configuration, then it is a product master. If you don't want this one, then it is a product. That is a major difference. So here product dimension group it is asking because it is a product master. If it is a product, it will be disappeared. Understood the difference between these two? But whether it is a product or product master, if you are creating a release product, it will be available in the back end. It will be creating automatically. Now canceling. Suppose I am creating product directly. So now iPhone 13 I will create. iPhone 13 I'm creating. iPhone 13 I'm creating. Click OK. iPhone 13 I'm creating. Now if I go to release product, this iPhone 13 will not be shown. Give me 1 second. iPhone 13, it is not available. It is available in the product. It is available in the products. But now, then if it is available in this one, how to create in the release product? Because if I want to use in a legal entity, I need to be in the that should be available in the release product. Then for that, iPhone 13, here it is not available. If you refresh, it will not be available. For this, what I need to do? Click on this release product. Sorry, product master product. Now click on released products. Where is this? Give me 1 second. Sorry. So here I have selected, click on released products, select this one and next. So which legal entity you want to release? I want in USMF company. Click next. Click finish.
You can use
Then
more
what?
than one company.
Yes, we can do it. I will show that one also. Now refresh, it will show I13. So in general, in implementation, very first I will create product and product masters and I will release manually, like the process, using the process. I will release all these products to multiple legal entities. Now I can release this same release product to some other legal entities also. DEMF and then suppose CNMF, otherwise BRMF I will do. So I'm releasing this product iPhone 13 from USMF company, any company, no issues. I can release to multiple legal entities, DEMF and BRMF. Next, finish. Now if I go back to release product, let me go to BRMF. iPhone 13 is available under DEMF. iPhone 13 is available. CNMF, it will not be there because I have not released. I have not released for that company.
Hello. Hello.
So yeah.
So can you please show the other fields like story dimension and other that fields for with one?
That will come to that point. So we have discussed like 3 points. These 3 till now we have discussed. I'm going to that point. Give me 2 minutes time. Okay, now product and product master, the difference between these two is simple. If you want product dimension group, then it is a product master. If you don't want product, is it clear first, everyone? The difference between product and product master. Released product is, it will be available in legal entities. It will be available in legal entities. So if you are creating directly release product, backend it will create automatically. If you are creating product or product master directly, then you need to release that one to another legal entities. So is it clear, these 3 points? Any doubt in this? Little bit tricky, but it is not complex.
Yeah, I only just want to know during implementation, what is the best practice for this? Like,
The best practice is this one: product and product master. Product and product master will create, and we will release this one to all at a time.
so together we'll create product and product master.
Yes, we will together will create, and we will release to this one.
Okay, so it like the product and product master we will differentiate depending upon dimension group. Like
Yes,
this item, this product we don't require dimension, so we'll make that as a product. Another
yes,
one as a, so this we have to create together. Like we can't do like only product master only we create. We will not create product. That's it.
yes. We will create all together. Like this is implementation.
No,
This
what
is
I'm asking, like we will not touch product because we will create product master or only one. You are telling now both we have to implementation we have to do together, product and product master. It is
see,
mandatory.
see. The thing is like in some items it may be products and some items product masters. We'll
Okay.
together will create. First we'll create this one. This one. 1 second. We'll create this first.
So both we have to both means one it is not possible. Like I only want it to use product only. I don't want to use product master. So that is not
Then
possible.
no, it is possible. So if you want
Okay.
only product, you can create. If you want product master, you can create. But in general, in any
Yeah.
legal, in any company, there will
Yeah.
be some items product, some items product masters in general.
Okay.
So that's what my intention. But if you want all only products, yes, you can create. All
So
only product masters, yes, you can create.
so one more query. I am suppose I'll only want product master and I want this dimension group option as to be enable and disable as per my requirement.
No, no, it is not at all
That is
possible. Whether you
okay.
want dimension group, product dimensional group, you want
Yeah.
product dimensional group, you need to create product master. Suppose if you want to change from product master to product or product master to product, it is not possible. You need to close this item and you need to open this item. It will be freezed.
Oh,
You
so
cannot change
both
product. Yeah.
okay. Similar to release product, if I'll create anything in product master that can't be copied in product, like it can't be go right. Both are separate.
So while implementing, I'm just telling you, while implementing, first I will create product and product master, and then I will release. This is normal process. Now when I will use this function, like this one release to this one, suppose I'm running this business from last 3 months or 6 months. Now there is one item. That item I need to create in the company. Then I will not go to product and I will not create. I will directly release product. I will create a release product directly in the backend. It will create automatically. No need to create product and then once again come back, because it is a dual task. Am I right? You need to create product and then you need to release to this item. This is two tasks. If I create directly release product, it is automatically backend it is creating. So while implementation starting point, we will create product and product master. That also we will not create manually. Like DMF, data management framework, using that one it will be imported. It's a small majority functional, some small techno functional it is required. Maybe if it is required some technical small thing, with the help of technical person you can amend or something. But functional also people also can do it if it is a standard functionality. So it will be imported first, product and product master, and then it will be released to legal entities. That is huge data. Whenever if you have huge data, then product master, like release product, when it will be used means after 3 months you want only one item should be created in the item, like in the like one item I want to use it. Then in that case I will not create product and I will not do release product. Rather than that one, I can directly create a release product in one shot. So if you are creating release product, both are happening at a time. Backend it is creating product. If you are creating a product, you need to release once again to the legal entity. Understood? If it is a bulk huge data, definitely we will do product and product master will create using DMF, data management framework, and then it will be released at a time in one shot. Suppose I want to do for multiple, I can select. Give me 1 second. Let me show. Here, all these items I can select, and I can do released products to I can do for BRMF. I have selected all items, like 4 items. So 4 items. Next, next, BRMF, next, finish. One button. What happens? All will be created automatically in BRMF company. So if I go back to BRMF company, it will be in the released products. It will be available on all legal entities, like this all. So if you have bulk data, it is better to create product and product master. You can release to multiple legal entities at a time. That is first time. Whenever if you are using like already running data, but like already the company is running, and if you want one item should be created, then you will directly create release product. Then automatically in the backend it will create this one. Understood the 3 differences, what it is? Product, product master, and release product.
So when you said the release product will be automatically available at the enterprise level. So
Release product is not enterprise level. Product and product master is enterprise level data.
Yeah. Let me ask you that again.
Yeah.
So when you're creating a release product after implementation, after you went live, go live, right? And you created a release product. Let's say that iPhone 10, and you want that iPhone 10 to be available at enterprise level, also in other subsidiaries. How do you do that then?
So if I'm creating release product iPhone 10, it is creating automatically iPhone 10 in another legal entities by default. As I told you, it will create automatically. It was created. That can be released for another legal entities if you want. Okay. So suppose, let me make another screen.
So the only difference is when there is a bulk data, product and product master, you create product and product master. Also, before going live, obviously you'll have a lot of data. You use product and product master.
So here, if you do release product, automatically it will create in the backend. Anything. If you do release product, it will create automatically in the backend. Okay, it will be created. Now I will show one small error message. Let us understand. Suppose I am going to CNMF. Release products. I'm showing
we
you
are going back to far forward, right? Initially you load all the products.
Yes.
I guess actually.
Yes,
so
exactly.
Products are not company specific. Release product is a company specific, as its names indicates.
Exactly. So iPhone 13 is not available here. iPhone 13 is not available in CNMF. Now I'm trying to create iPhone 13 in CNMF company. I cannot create. The number has already been assigned to a product. Specify a new number. The reason behind this, iPhone 13 is created in one legal entity that is already available in the backend release like product. So this product is enterprise level data. This iPhone 13, it is already created. It is not available in the release product, but it is available in the products. Understood? So it is not available in this CNMF, but in this legal entity release product, but it is available in the products. So you need to release simply. Then automatically you cannot create. That means enterprise level data. Enterprise level data, as I told you, if it is, this is a shared data. This is a shared data. Shared data means it will be available by default in all legal entities. So if you are creating a release product, backend it is creating product or product master by default. You cannot create once again the same in another legal entity release product. So you can release this item to the other legal entities. You can release this item to other legal entities. Now, what is the difference between these two? What is the difference between these two? Okay, so let me go back to USMF company, because Panchal is asking, but I have not given answer to him. Let me go back. So this iPhone 13, while creating this iPhone 13, so let me go back to release products. 1 second. And I will finish it for 2 minutes. Then if you want any more doubts, we'll discuss on Monday once again in detail. This is very basic fundamentals. Of course, it is important, most important. iPhone 13. So this iPhone 13 is not mapped with item group, item model group, those things. I have not mapped. So if I click validate, give me 1 second, it is taking some time. Now if I click validate, it will throw error message, warning message. Values must be specified. Item model group, item group, storage dimension group, tracking dimension group is not specified. That means what is the difference between these two is product master, sorry, this release product. What is the difference between release product and item master is, in this, whatever mandatory fields are there, that is item group, item model group, storage dimension group, tracking dimension group, whatever it is there, those should be mapped properly. Then it will become item master. Then it will become item master. Understood? So here in the release product, it is available. It is available release product, but you can't use this item. If I am creating a purchase order, suppose procurement and sourcing module, purchase order I am trying to create, you cannot create this item because the mandatory fields are not mapped. I'm creating a new, sorry, I would like to do in I don't want in another country because country specific, and USMF language you cannot understand in CNMF. So I'm creating a new one. Selecting vendor, suppose. Now if I select iPhone 13 in the line details, it will not allow me to select because these mandatory fields are not filled. These fields are not filled, then it will not allow. Suppose I'm selecting this iPhone 13. It is throwing error message. So the difference between these two is In the item master, mandatory fields, whatever mandatory fields are there, item group, item model group, storage dimension group, tracking dimension group, if it is required, product dimension group, those things should be mapped. Then only you can use in the base. And that is the reason it is here item number or item master. This is released product. This is released product. And product master, there are 4 fields. Okay. If you have any more doubts, definitely, I know like there are a lot of confusions in your minds. We'll discuss once again on Monday so that it will be completely understand to everyone.
Okay, this small query is there, like product and this product master. You told that DMF will use like maybe 1,000 item we can import through Excel. So you can show us that also after, like how to export
actually like but I will show some sample, but see that DMF, it will not be in our course content, but if you want for sample I will show, but it is not our course content. Okay, high level if I want I will show one time, but not
last query, Satyaj. As you said that best practice is like that, create product and product master and then release later on at the time of requirement. Okay. So
it is not a best practice. It is like minimum process, like quick process, because for first time whenever you are doing implementation, at that time you need to create for multiple legal entities. Am I right? For that process, this is a quick process, I'm telling. That's it. It's not a best practice. Both are best practice.
Yeah, that's okay. So in that case, I created a bulk data on for the product and product masters. Okay, for both the type items. Okay, right? Then I want to release to specific legal entities. Okay, or so it is just to select all items from that what you have said and release it to specific legal entity. That's it. So we can use it in specific legal entity.
So as I told you, like once again, this like mandatory fields like item group, item model group, storage dimension group, tracking dimension group, you need to map it. That is also required.
That's true. That's true. But once I select all the items and release it to specific legal entity, I can that items are available into the specific legal entities as well with that minimum details. And vice versa.
We can use it.
What we just cover, just try to summarize what I understand. And vice versa, if I select, I have created items through release products. Okay, so that items are available in product and product masters by default.
Yes.
All the legal entities.
Yes. You're right.
So that items are already created through release release products. So no need to again release it. Correct? Sorry,
come again. Last point.
If I created a bulk items, okay, through release products, okay, so by default it is available in product and product masters.
Yes, exactly.
In all legal entities, enterprise level.
No, when you create a release product, it is not available in product and product master both. Actually, I think it's available only products.
Anyone, product or product master, whenever you are creating,
depending on the parameter, the type you select, right? Yeah.
Exactly.
So it's either or. Okay. It depends on the product dimension group parameter. Okay. So it is available in that both type of items, right? So then again, no further process is required on that part.
So if you not required, but if you want to use that this product and product master in other legal entities, you can release directly. No need to create once again. Understood? No need to create another one. So definitely we'll discuss once again Monday. It is already 7:10. Like finance team people will be waiting. Okay, we'll discuss once again Monday. We'll conclude the clear picture, like what is the difference between this product master, release product, and item master. Okay, fine. I'm stopping here. We'll connect once again Monday morning 6 a.m. IST. See you. Bye.